Question number first. What is labor? A. The process of fetal development. B. The process of childbirth. C. The process of postpartum recovery. D. The process of lactation. Answer is B. The process of childbirth. Question number 2. What is the primary cause of labor? A. Uterine contraction. B. Fetal movement. C. Hormonal changes. D. Placental separation. Answer is uterine contraction. Question number 3. How many stages of labor are there? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Correct answer is 3. First stage dilatation, second stage pushing, third stage placental delivery. Question number 4. What is the primary event of the second stage of labor? A. Cervical dilatation. B. Fetal delivery. C. Placental delivery. D. Uterine contraction. Answer is fetal delivery. Question number 5. What is a normal progression of labor? A. Cervical dilation, fetal delivery, placental delivery. B. Fetal delivery, cervical dilation, placental delivery. C. Placental delivery, cervical dilation, fetal delivery. D. Cervical dilation, placental delivery, fetal delivery. Correct answer is cervical dilation, fetal delivery, placental delivery. Question number 6. What is the purpose of uterine contraction during labor? A. To push the fetus out of the uterus. B. Dilate the cervix. C. To deliver the placenta. D. All of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Question number 7. What is the primary event of the first stage of labor? A. Cervical dilation. B. Fetal delivery. C. Placental delivery. D. Uterine contraction. Correct answer is cervical dilation. Question number 8. What is the normal rate of cervical dilation during active labor? A. 0.5 to 1 cm per hour. B. 1 to 2 cm per hour. C. 2 to 3 cm per hour. D. 3 to 4 cm per hour. Answer is 1 to 2 cm per hour. 9. What is the purpose of the partogram in labor? A. To assess fetal well-being. B. To monitor labor progress. C. To diagnose fetal anomalies. D. To predict fetal weight. Correct answer is to monitor labor progress. Question number 10. What is the primary sign of labor? A. Back pain. B. Contraction. C. Bloody sore. D. Rupture of membranes. Answer is B. Contraction. Question number 11. What is the purpose of oxytocin augmentation in labor? A. To induce labor. B. To strengthen contraction. C. To reduce pain. D. To slow down labor. Answer is to strengthen contraction. Question number 12. What is the term for the latent phase of labor? A. Early labor. B. Active labor. C. Transition phase. D. Postpartum. Answer is A. Early labor. Question number 13. What is the primary goal of fetal monitoring during labor? A. To assess fetal well-being. B. To determine fetal position. C. To diagnose fetal anomalies. D. To predict fetal weight. Answer is to assess fetal well-being. Question number 14. What is the primary cause of postpartum hemorrhage? A. Uterine atony. B. Retained placenta. C. Laceration. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 15. What does a normal fetal heart rate indicate? A. Fetal distress. B. Fetal well-being. C. Maternal distress. D. Maternal well-being. Answer is B. Fetal well-being. Question number 16. What is the potential complication of prolonged labor? A. Fetal distress. B. Maternal infection. C. Postpartum hemorrhage. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 17. What is the normal range for fetal heart rate? A. 100 to 120 beat per minute, B 110 to 160 beat per minute, C 160 to 180 beat per minute, D 180 to 200 beat per minute. Correct answer is B 110 to 160 beat per minute. Question number 18. What is the term for the delivery of the baby feet or buttocks first? A. Breech presentation, B. Cephalic presentation, C. Vertex presentation, D. Transverse presentation. Answer is A. Breech presentation. Question number 19. What is the term for the period of time between the delivery of the baby and the delivery of the placenta? A. Postpartum hemorrhage, B. Third stage of labor, C. Second stage of labor, D. Transition phase. Correct answer is B. Third stage of labor. Question number 20. What is a non-reassuring fetal heart rate pattern? A. Normal baseline rate, B. Variable deceleration, C. Acceleration, D. Late deceleration. Answer is D. Late deceleration. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.